Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be quickly setting up a practical work environment for our exercises. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we will go back to the tutorial here. Now, like I mentioned, this is going to be just a quick environment setup. So we're going to set it up so the program is ready for our practicals we want to do. Now, if you are relatively comfortable with your navigating tools, whether it is the functions on top here, the widget, or your mouse, then you're welcome to skip these videos. We're just going to be running through each one of these small practical just to give you a little bit more exercise if you feel like you could do with some. But that is no pressure. So if we start off, I'm going to make a quick sheet. Then I'm going to choose the 2000 by 1000. I'll just zoom in here so you guys can see that. So we're going to grab this one. And then at the bottom, the beam diameter, I'm just going to leave this at 1 because it's just all training stuff. Just so we have a basic sheet that fills the screen. Next thing what I want to do is I want to go to flat parts on top here, click that. I'm just going to add a basic, we're going to choose your P13. Let's make the diameter 200 millimeters, and then say OK. Now under its properties and that, or adding properties, we're going to just choose these two settings and change them both to 4. So we've got the quantity nesting, manual quantity. I'm going to go 4 and 4. Oops, 4. And zoom out here. Then say OK or add. Now we've got these ones over here. So next thing, let's just add another part quick. We're going to go flat parts again. Then I'm going to add this P53. And this one I'm going to make a bit bigger. So as we can see here, A and B, I'm going to make this about 4 to 500. So we get 500, and then S, which is these slants, we're going to make that 200. Let's say OK. I'm going to make 1 just for the middle, say add, and then now we've got that shape as well. So now the first thing I want to do is click on the P13, so the circles we made. I'm going to click add part here at the bottom. I know we haven't run through properly how to do all of this, but we will in another tutorial. So go add part, and then we just throw this into each corner over here, just so we have something to work with. And then lastly, we click on P53. We're going to add this here straight in the middle. And then yeah, now we have a nice work environment we can play around with, some checkpoints. And then in the next video we'll be running through it just so you guys can get comfortable with using these tools more. But yeah, otherwise before that, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right if you don't find the video. And also we do make custom videos. So if you go request a training video, and let's say there's nothing for the program you're looking for that's on this list, then just go request here, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching. Until next one, cheers.